Yeah, this is the first step to make when you receive the machine. So first of all, you take off the nylon which you use in packing covering the machine. Yeah, and this is the computer. This is the monitor, and this is the stand to hold the scan head and the computer. And first of all, yeah, this is where the stand has to be. And this is the cable wires for the, yeah, this one is for the power, and this one is for the foot switch. Yeah, this is method for learning how to mark. Yeah, these are the and this is the nuts. And one, yeah, how to tight. This is the steps you have to take. Yeah, this is the monitor in a safe carton with a floater covered very well. Yeah, this is the monitor. This is for the boat, the handle here. The small one. Yeah, it has to be 1, 2, the third. The third one. is okay now. And the computer, this is the connect to the monitor. Power. Yeah, this is the power cable, and the power cable goes here. Yeah, it has nut. It has a connection port, so you must follow the direction.
Take a check on.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay now. And this is the foot switch. Yeah, foot switch. The foot switch goes here.
Check on. Check.
Yeah. And secondly, this one here is the terminal, which is very, very important. So, and terminal is, yeah, you only connect wire here and you put on the ground. Yeah, you just connect wire here, then you put on the ground for safety of the machine.
The voltage 220.
Yeah, this is must be 220 voltage. Yeah, these are the footboards for stand. Now you turn on the machine. Yeah, because as a customer who imports the laser machine, so now is how to use the laser. So the green button is the computer. Because one, before you start working, so you must find the focal length for marking. Yeah, the computer is on. Then you open the EasyCard software. You turn on the laser. You turn on the red aiming point. Then you make a little right angle. Yeah, the rectangle, guys, is just for we to find the focal length. Yeah, this one is the put at middle. Then you hash. This will call it hatch. Yeah, it's okay, it's 0.05. Then you click OK. Then you go to frequencies, power. So you make the power 1200. You make the power 600, make the speed 1200, frequency 20. Then you click continue mark. Then you click your light F1. The F1 is for you to find the focal length. So you click
marking position.
Yeah, that is to find the marking position. Now you click. Then you turn off the red Amy. Then this is the control to find the focal length. So now we are trying to find the focal length. As you can see, the light now is pure white. So for the first time you don't need to stop. So you go up and you come down, and now you see the white light now is okay. That shows that you have found the focal length for Mac. Now you close, then you save. You save the file. You can use any name for the save. Then you save the file. Then you off the software. Then you shut down the computer. Then you turn off laser. Then you totally off the machine.
Let's start.
Now how to color draw the file and change to PLT. Then you open. You make the size by 100 and you keep lock. Then you go to the file, then you go to export. Then here you find the PLT file to save. You open the EasyCard software. File, you go to import vectorials file. Now you make the size smaller by 100. You make this is middle, then you hatch. 0.05. You make the speed 120. Power 50, frequency 35. You turn on the laser, then you turn on the red emil light. Then you mark.